Welcome back to everyone. Happy Solar Eclipse Day. We've got some photos for you from our viewers. This is from the Oliva family in McAllen. This is at the time of the eclipse. You can see how the moon's shadow eats away at the sun, almost looking like a half-eaten cookie. And here's a photo from Ray Bunda from Weslaco. You can see some of the clouds there during the eclipse. We'll head on over to the Harlingen area where Ariel Vasquez, let me see if we get the photo here in just a minute, but we have a photo from Harlingen as the eclipse was taking place. Sorry, April Vasquez. Forgive me for getting your name wrong. This is April Vasquez. You can see the solar eclipse and the clouds. Beautiful colors in the clouds. Thank you very much, everybody, for the eclipse photos. Now, during the eclipse, we did see a few spotty showers earlier, moving from east to west thanks to the sea breeze. We had one very heavy cell in La Feria and another heavy cell in Edinburgh. We're now seeing some spotty showers in northeastern Starr County. Those should start to dissipate later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. At least there are no triple digits, though. It's still feeling hot out there in any case out west. 99 in Edinburgh, upper 90s in Rio Grande City, mid 90s in Weslaco, and 91 degrees in Raymondville. So here's your evening planner forecast. We're going to start off hot and a little breezy at 7 o'clock this evening with temperatures in the lower 90s and partly cloudy skies. Some of those clouds should thin out later on tonight, only to come back for the overnight hours. Mid 80s at 9 p.m., then lower 80s at 11 o'clock this evening. We are tracking the tropics here at Channel 5, and in the red ring, these are the remnants of what was Harvey. Now, we're showing you this because there is now a 90% chance that what's left of Harvey could regenerate, according to the National Hurricane Center, and the forecast track at this time does take it over the Yucatan Peninsula into the Bay of Campeche and the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. And notice this dotted yellow line. This is an upper-level disturbance not related to what's left of Harvey, but that's going to track westward, giving us a slightly better chance for some showers or thunderstorms. Now, no advisories have been issued on Harvey's remnants because it has not regenerated yet, but take a look at these computer spaghetti models. They have shifted to the north and are now suggesting that if Harvey regenerates, it could move toward perhaps northern Tamaulipas or even the valley later on this week. That would mean some better rain chances, and right now there's still a lot of uncertainty with this. We don't want to scare anybody, but do think about your storm preparations just in case. There is the possibility that once Harvey or its remnants emerge into the Bay of Campeche and the Gulf of Mexico, it could become either a tropical depression or even a tropical storm, or maybe even a minimal hurricane. That still remains to be seen. So keep it tuned to Channel 5 over the next couple of days. We'll keep you updated on the latest on Harvey's remnants. So here's the future track. This is the European model, and this model wants to take Harvey as well into the Bay of Campeche and the Gulf of Mexico. And watch as some of that green starts to move toward the northern portion of Tamaulipas and the valley by Thursday. If this does materialize, we could be looking at better rain chances starting late Thursday night into Friday as well as Saturday, but that will cool off the temperatures, and the model then takes this potential system up toward South Texas, maybe even south of San Antonio. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast to east at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Next tide, a low tide at 9:43 in the evening. So for tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid with low temperatures in the mid-70s. Then for tomorrow, 98 the magic number with a 20% chance of some spotty showers. We'll keep in a 20% chance of rain on Wednesday. And again, our rain chances for the second half of the week depend on where Harvey or its remnants may head. So at this point, we're going to put in a 50% chance of rain Thursday night into Friday, followed by a 40% chance of rain on Saturday with highs back in the lower 90s. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We shall be back after this.